Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make sure your text message notifications are on through Alma in case there is a school-wide message sent that there's a school closure or any important emergency information. The first thing we need to do is once you've logged in through Alma, as a teacher, you're going to check if your profile is up to date. Primarily the phone number. So once you click on the phone, you can go ahead and edit and save. Just make sure that you can verify and confirm what type of phone number it is, and then the check mark the box that says can SMS, meaning it will allow a text message to be sent. You could add additional phone numbers if you choose, and just save again the type of phone number it is. And because, for instance, this is a home phone number, I would prefer that it's not sending a text message. Once you save that, you can go ahead. The one that is bolded is the one that is going to be the one that is going to be accessed the most. The reason is the first number will be used as a primary contact number, and you can go ahead and rearrange these if you want to put the home number as the first contact, but I would like my cell phone to be the first contact. Make sure you hit save. The next step you have to do is under notification preferences, verify that the text message bubble is selected, because it's going to be an automatic message if it is a phone call. And that should do it. Make sure everything is saved and you should be good to go. Thank you so much.